Ready, set, go. Hi everybody, my name is Urban Ranger and I like to make stuff. I also like to teach stuff. I'm actually a teacher at East Hampton High School in New York. And I mostly teach coding classes at this school. In the past, I've done a lot of 3D design stuff, and next year I'm going to be teaching a 3D design class as well. But currently, most of the videos I post privately because I know most of the subscribers really were looking for the 3D stuff I had made in the past. I still do 3D stuff, but most of it's either personal or just not shared as a YouTube video. And but I am going to start doing that again when I do that next class next year. Right now I'm mostly going to be posting videos concerning hardware like this. This is a Raspberry Pi. It's a microcontroller board. So you'll see some videos coming up on my channel that are about this. This one's a really cool board because it has HDMI out, it has all these pins where you can interface with things. It also has Ethernet, Bluetooth, Wi-Fi, all those goodies that can then make it connect to the internet. So you may have seen one just come up live, how to connect that to Adafruit I/O, which is a cloud-based thing. So that means you could turn on light switches remotely, you could collect data remotely, you can make it do all kinds of different things. What I really need to do is make a 3D enclosure for this, though, that works with the hardware I want to use it with. So we will get to that, but right now you're going to see a bunch of videos like that. Now, I've kind of had this debate going on, internal debate in my head, for whether or not I should make another channel that's just for coding, or if I should just say that I'm maker and put things everywhere. Because I tend to make things with coding, I tend to pair that with 3D stuff. There's even coding stuff that I use that makes 3D objects. So if you're using OpenSCAD or things like that, those are really awesome. But anyway, the gist of the quick video here is to say, if you're interested in those and you think I should make a separate channel for those, leave a comment below. If you are okay with me expanding what I actually post on here, I would love to hear that too down in the comments. But all in all, you're going to start seeing some new videos that are really focused towards the Raspberry Pi stuff. If people really get upset about that, then I'll just hide them. I'll keep them private for my class and you guys won't see them. But if you don't mind that stuff, then make a comment and let us know. Thanks so much. Have a great day.